Here I have LG V30 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So let me show you the 5 most useful features for the following smartphone. At the very beginning, let me show you one of the most simple but very useful things, so the touch zoom called magnifier. Let me show you how to enable this feature. Let's open the list of settings, choose general. Here you have to find and select the accessibility. From the following list, let me choose the vision. Let's choose touch zoom right here. You can read about it right here, and let's enable this feature. Now if you would like to use the magnifier, let's just triple tap on the screen, and as you can see here, you can magnify things. You can change the position by using 2 fingers right here. So let me show you again. For example, you can magnify some icons right here, and as you can see, just by using a triple tapping you can magnify things. Let's use triple tapping again to go back to a normal size. So let's go to the second trick, the touch assistant called virtual home button. Let's find and select settings. From the general, let's find and select the accessibility. It's right here. Let's choose motor and cognition. Choose the touch assistant right here. You can read it about it right here, and you can choose and enable this feature by using the following switcher. Let's tap turn on, and as you can see, this is the touch assistant. You can place it wherever you want, for example here, and you can use, for example, the home key right here. You can, for example, choose the screen capture, and if you would like to disable the following feature, let's go to accessibility again, choose motion and cognition, choose touch assistant, and let's disable this feature. So that's it. Let me show you the third trick. So let's open and use the gaming mode, find and select settings, scroll down, and under smart functions you can choose gaming. Here you can, for example, choose game graphics, and you can change some game graphics, or you can simply use the game tool. So if you are playing the game, the following tool should pop up, and you can tap on the game tool and, for example, take a screenshot, make a break, or do whatever you want with your game. So that's it. Now let's go to the smart doctor, the other secret trick for the LG V30. Let's find settings, scroll down, and let's use the smart doctor under phone management. And here you can do a couple of things. For example, you can optimize phone by cleaning the junk files. Let's wait until the optimization will be done. Let's go back. You may also, for example, let me open the smart doctor again. You may also scan for viruses, so let's do it. Let's choose diagnose, and the device is diagnosing and looking for any risk. As you can see, my device is fine, so that's it. You can use the smart doctor right here by using the phone management. Let's go to the last but not least trick, so the comfort view. Let's open the display. Let's find and select the comfort view right here, and in order to reduce the harmful lights on our eyes, let's use, for example, the comfort view right here. And as you can see, this is the more comfortable view for our eyes. If you would like to use the schedule time, you can switch on the comfort view in the exact period of time. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.